Welcome back to my channel. For today's recipe, we're going to cook Arroz Valenciana. So here are the ingredients that we need. Glutinous rice, small can of chickpeas, small can chickpeas, coconut milk, chicken, 1/2 kilo oyster, 1/2 kilo shrimp, garlic, onion, chorizo, green and red bell pepper, chicken liver, pineapple juice, raisin, turmeric, oil, salt, and pepper, and hard-boiled egg or salted eggs for topping. So now, let's start cooking. First, boil the chicken, oyster, and shrimp. And then next, fry the chorizo. Then set aside them and then get a big casserole and put some oil. We're going to saute the garlic and onion here. After we saute the onion and garlic, add the chicken. Next, we're going to put the chicken liver now. Add some salt and pepper while we are waiting for the chicken and liver to cook. When the chicken and liver is already cooked, we can add the glutinous rice. Note, to make the glutinous rice yellow, grate some turmeric. Next, after you mix, add 2 glasses of pineapple juice. After that, put the chicken broth. Then mix it. Add some salt again depending on your taste. Now, we can add the coconut milk. It is also color yellow because of the grated turmeric. Just continue to mix every time you put an ingredient. And then, now, we can now put all the remaining ingredients like the chorizo, shrimp, oyster, chickpeas, green peas, and bell pepper, and raisin. Just make sure to cook it in a lower heat lang. Lastly, just wait until the rice will be cooked. And now, here it is. We now have Arroz Valenciana. It is ready to serve.